Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. A very good day to everyone. My name is Nurul, Hayati, Binti, and I am from the DIF2A, and my ID number is BMI2307001. And today I will be presenting about how to solve the equation for the number 1. Question 1. If Emma's initial price was $50 and she sells 150 items, then she will make $7,500. Emma increased her price to $60, which caused the demand to decrease to 100 items a month. Then she will instead make $60,000. Were she to reduce her initial price to $40, then she will increase her quantity demanded to 180 items a month. By increasing the cost, her customers were unable to afford as many items. By decreasing the cost, more customers were able to afford more of her items. Question 1. Based on your calculation, determine whether the demand for this item is price elastic or inelastic. Answer. For the A, 150 minus 0 divided by 0 divide by 50 minus 0 divided by 0. So we will get the infinity, which is mean the perfectly elastic. For B, 100 minus 150 divided by 100 divided by 60 minus 50 divided by 50. We will get the 1.67, and this means it was elastic demand. For C, 180 minus 100 divided by 100 divided by 40 minus 60 divided by 60. And we will get 2.4, and this means that it was elastic demand. So for the question 1, Roman 2, explain the implications of the price elasticity value for Emma's boutique in terms of pricing strategies and revenue generation. The answer: when Emma's boutique increasing the product price from $50 to $60, the demand for the items is decreasing from 150 items to 100 items, and this will cause the revenue or income will decreasing from $7,500 to $6,000. While in situation where Emma's boutique decreasing the price of their product to $40 from the initial price, which is $50, the demand for the product will increase to 180 items, but the revenue or income will still decrease from the initial revenue, which is $7,500 to $7,200. Emma's boutique should focus to maximizing the revenue or income by monitoring the price elasticity of the businesses, to adjusting the pricing strategies, and to optimize the overall revenue. Emma's boutique should lower their price when the revenue and demand coming from the businesses is elastic, to maximize the total profit revenue and to attract more customers.
Follow 100 divide by 100 and times with 50 divide with 50 equal to 1. For moderate, 150 minus 100 divide by 100 and times with 5,000 divide with 7,500 minus 500 equal to 1. Depending on the income elasticity, which for both moderate and low goods is 1. These goods can be understood as typical ones, showing a positive relationship between quantity demand and income. Inelastic income is typically associated with consumer necessities like food and clothing. When consumers' income rises, so does the proportionate demand for these commodities. For normal, positive income elasticity suggests a direct and proportionate relationship between changes in quantity demand and income. The demand for Emma's boutique clothes rises in direct proportion to increases in consumer income. For inferior, Emma's boutique clothing is not considered inferior goods. Income of inferior goods are usually negative, indicating a negative relationship between quantity demand and income. For luxury, the fact that there are no income elastics larger than one indicates that famous boutique clothes are not luxury products. When luxury items show higher income elasticities than one, it means that demand has increased more than income has on average. In conclusion, famous boutique clothing items with an income elasticity equal to 1 can be classified as a normal goods, indicating a proportional relationship between changes in income and the quantity demand. This means that these items are considered neither inferior nor luxury goods in the traditional sense, since an increase in income exactly is equivalent with the increase in demand. Products that customers consider necessary or essential but not necessarily luxury things are frequently included in category of normal goods.
Is a question 3. Number 1. Air conditioning units and kilowatts of electricity is a complementary goods because the value cross electricity of negative, which is negative 0.34. So number 2. Coke and Pepsi are substitute goods because the sign cross electricity is a positive, which is a 0.63. Number 3, the cross elasticity for light fuel consuming sport utility vehicle SUVs is a negative 0.28. It shows that the value is a negative, so both of them is a complementary goods. Number 4, McDonald's burger and Burger King burgers is a substitute goods because it shows the positive cross elasticity, which is 0.82. So lastly, the cross elasticity for butter and margarine is a 1.54. It can show that the value is positive and his is a substitute. So we move to number 2. The degree to which two commodities can be substituted for one another increase with a big and positive cross elasticity of demand. So burgers from McDonald's and Burger Kings have a cross elasticity of 0.82, whenever butter and margarine have a cross elasticity of 1.54. When the cross elasticity absolute value increase, so the degree of relatedness between the items.
Okay, so you can use this formula, which is QS1 minus QS0 over QS0. QS means quantity supplies, okay, times P0 over P1 minus P0. P means price. So you can get 1,800 minus 1,500 over 1,500 times 800 over 900 minus 800. So you can get 1.6. So number 2, in the context of the laptop market scenario, discuss how technological advancement contribute to the elasticity or inelasticity of supply in the electronic industry. So the answer is technological advancement in the electronic industry contribute to the elasticity of supply by fostering rapid innovation, enabling economies of scale, enhancing supply chain flexibility, facilitating customizations, improving material, promoting miniaturization, and providing better analytics for demand forecasting. These factors collectively influence the industry ability to respond quietly to change in market conditions and customer preference. Thank you.